Were you or your business sold on the idea of process automation because a high-priced consultant or your company's IT identified some automation opportunities as low-hanging fruit? Now, you are stuck with an executive-mandated objective or automation software you're not using to its full ability. So how do you solve this issue? How do you identify more things that can be automated or simplified? How do you ensure the task you want to automate is not too difficult to develop or, even worse, too challenging to maintain because there are so many variations? How do you prioritize or build business cases for your automation ideas? Wow! Lots of questions which all can be answered by spending a great deal of your business time to solve. And as we know, that time equates to money. If only there was a software solution that could answer these questions for you. Well, Optimus Hive is that solution. Optimus Hive is a revolutionary transformation solution that has many capabilities, and one of those features is task mining. Task mining allows you to automatically analyze the day-to-day tasks performed by your employees and scientifically identify the best automation ideas, training opportunities, and where your processes could use some help. Implementing Optimus Hive couldn't be any easier. First, give the software to your employees to install. Next, let your employees run the application so it can capture their activities. Don't worry, there is little to no interruption to their work. Are you worried about security and privacy issues? Well, don't! Optimus Hive has security features built in that allow it to capture what it needs without violating your customer or business policies. Now that you have all this business data, what can you do with it? Let Optimus Hive use artificial intelligence to give you valuable insights. That's right, Optimus Hive uses AI to create visual process maps, let you know if your processes are in control, and provide data-driven automation suggestions with individual business cases. It doesn't stop there. Optimus Hive allows you to export the details into a formatted file that your automation team can use, or that you could give to your employees as training material. Is the material in a document too old-fashioned for you? Don't worry, Optimus Hive has you covered. The solution can also provide you with a step-by-step online slideshow or even a video that can be shared. There is no other transformation software solution on the market like Optimus Hive. Give it a try today and let Optimus Hive enable continuous improvement for you.